In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to blur background image in Figma. So let me just add a background image on my frame. I need to firstly select it, then go to the right side panel and under it, tap on this fill color and now select this image option from here and now click on upload from computer. Now select the image which you want to use as your background. So I want to use this image as my background. So I need to select it, then click on open. Now the image will be used as your background. Now to make this image blur, we just need to go to the right side panel again, then click on plus icon near effects, and now to change the effect we need to tap on this drop down arrow and select layer blur from here, and now the effect will be added. To increase the intensity of this effect, we need to click on this icon on the left side of our effect and then we need to increase the blur opacity. So I want to make it 50, then hit enter on your keyboard and there you go, we have successfully blurred our background image. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.